What's going on YouTube? It's Sean here, and I am back today to give you guys a review of the Nike AirTech Challenge 2 Quick Strike in the Hot Lava colorway. These released here in Canada in limited numbers on Sunday, May 26th. They retailed for a price of $130 US or $170 here in Canada, and the official colorway for this shoe is white, hot lava, black, and granite. This shoe originally debuted back in 1989 or 1990, and it was made famous as it was a signature sneaker for tennis superstar Andre Agassi. So when I strolled into the House of Hoops location in downtown Toronto, there was only one other person that was looking for this shoe. This really caught me by surprise, and I guess in a sense it's a good thing that I didn't really have to go through any hoops to grab my pair. As you take a deep dive into the sneaker, so the upper of this shoe is constructed using different types of leather. So starting off with the toe box, you can see that this white leather here is perforated, but then the leather surrounding the front edge of the toe box, this is smooth. So the quality of this leather is not the best. It's pretty average standard Nike quality, so don't get your hopes up too high if you're expecting something super premium. As we move on towards the sides of the shoe, so here we have this black leather, which is followed by white leather, and then below this we have the hot lava print. Also above this we have these two triangular eyelets in gray, so this is different from the originals as the OG pairs had this part in white. As we move on to the mid panel of the shoe, so once again we see the return of that perforated white leather, and then overlaid on top of this we have this hot lava colored leather swoosh. Above this we have this gray plastic wing which helps to hold the laces in place. And then moving on to the back end of the shoe, so again we have that hot lava print followed by both white and black leather. We also have the words Nike Air embroidered in the center in white. The back ankle collar area, this is very padded and very plush. The exterior is done in this ribbed black fabric, which is pretty soft to the touch. In terms of laces, so these come with your standard white flat laces, and then underneath this, we have the tongue. So the tongue is constructed in that same material that was found on the back ankle collar area, except in this case, this time it's white. At the very top, we have this Nike branding stitched on. Hanging off the right shoe, giving it a nice retro touch, they also give you this Nike hang tag as well. As I pull out the insole, so these come with a very well padded, hot lava colored insole. This is finished off with Nike Air branding on the heel. So the upper of these AirTech Challenge 2s sits atop this midsole is done in a combination of both gray and white. If this midsole looks familiar, well, the Nike Air Yeezy 2 drew inspiration and adopted this midsole on that shoe. Underneath the heel, we also have this window that exposes the Nike Air sole unit that's found within the midsole. Turning these over to the bottom, so here we have your outsole. So this is done in a combination of hot lava, gray, and black colored rubber. We have this herringbone traction pattern running from heel to toe, along with this Nike word mark found on the medial edge. If you guys are wondering how these fit, well, my feet measures as a true size 10, slightly on the wider side, and I picked these up in a size 10. To me, they fit me pretty well. If anything, they're slightly on the longer and narrow side. However, they weren't narrow enough that I had to go up a half size. To give you guys a point of reference, while I got these in a size 10, I'm a 10.5 in other Nike models like the Nike Air Max 1 and 95. From a comfort standpoint, so these shoes were actually surprisingly pretty comfortable. Even though it features 30-year-old technology, there's something about the super well-cushioned collar and the super well-cushioned insole that together hugged my foot and gave it a very nice feeling on feet. Obviously, don't expect anything like Nike React or Adidas Boost, but for a shoe that dropped back in '89 or 1990, this was actually pretty damn good. Last but not least, in terms of quality, so both the quality of the leather and the craftsmanship of the shoe was a little bit lacking, and I had to go through a couple of pairs in store to find my perfect pair. So with all that said, let me lace up these AirTech Challenge 2s and show you guys how these look on feet. I'm a sucker for nostalgia, and even though I'm not old enough to remember Andre Agassi during his peak years, I've always been a fan of this shoe even when they first retroed back in 2008. There's something about this shoe that's just super clean, and the color combination of white, black with these loud hits of hot lava, to me just really sets it off. To me, I'm super happy that they're retroed once again, and I'm even happier that there was no hype, no fuss, and no problems getting my pair. So let me know in the comment section down below what you guys think about these Nike AirTag Challenge 2 Quick Strikes in the Hot Lava colorway. If you guys like this video, be sure to like, comment, and subscribe. Give me a follow on Instagram at esco8. Check out my Twitter at sean.go and visit my website at seango.ca. So until next time, thank you guys so much for tuning in to another review, and I'll catch you guys in the next one.